Good morning. Today is Monday, February 17th. It is Soul Guidance Monday. Today's card, I have 12 decks that I always choose from, and today is the Gateway Oracle card again by Denise Linn. And the card today is Emerging into Grace. I open my soul to grace. All is well, you can relax and let go, for your path is divinely guided. Gifts from the Creator are pouring into your life. Gratitude abounds. A spirit of grace is softly unfolding in your life. In the stillness of retreat, the gifts of spirit will emerge at your feet. In gratitude and thankfulness, an opening into the deepest spiritual realms is occurring. Simply be ready and be open, as waves of sacred love will pour into your heart. Grace is growing within you so that more and more you serve as a safe sanctuary for others. How does the Spirit of Grace want to work in my life? What has blocked it from filling my life in the past? If I truly let go and open myself to grace, what will unfold? What a fantastic card. You know, I always say if we always let go and let God, we actually are completely divinely guided if we trust it and we have faith. A lot of times we don't, so we want to control our lives and make it the way that we want it. And it never turns out as good when we do that. And then gratitude. You know, gratitude is such a simple thing, and it's such an easy choice to make, but so many of us choose to make the negative choices over the positive. I think a lot of times in our life it's been taught to us. So it's now you have to make it an art to make a choice for positive stuff. When I was younger, my mom would say some negative things about people a lot. And what I found so interesting, in 2004, I realized my mind was doing exactly those thoughts, so I had to retrain my brain. So I started saying things like, I'm healthy, wealthy, and wise, just to stay in the moment. One of my favorite sayings, and people always laugh when I say this, is I'm skinny and a millionaire. But what's so funny is I would become skinny and I would attract millionaires. So, you know, in the beginning it may sound funny, the way you start saying things and think, oh, that's crazy. But really your energy starts magnetizing exactly what you're thinking. You know, your thoughts are very powerful. Your words are even more powerful. And the thing is when you start thinking this and it starts happening, it's just a fantastic ride if you can keep, you know, being in gratitude and staying in the moment. It says, the gifts of spirit will emerge at your feet. In gratitude and thankfulness, an opening into the deepest spiritual realms is occurring. Well, currently, in this time, in this actual time in the universe, we are all emerging. I know 10 years ago when I came out as a psychic, a lot of people just thought it was taboo. They didn't want to hear it. I mean, still today I have people that say things that are just uncalled for. Because if you understand what psychic ability is, and to explain a little bit about my ability, is everything is a frequency. The sight is frequency, the sound is frequency, taste, it's all a vibration, smell, all of that. So if you start getting familiar with the different frequencies and vibrations, when it comes to your body, you know what it is. And that's what it is for me. I'm just very familiar with different frequencies and vibrations. And so I know things. And then, of course, that makes people nervous. But so when you start living that life, spirit will emerge at your feet. And be ready, because sacred love will pour into your heart. And it's so true. The magic that happens when you start truly loving yourself and being in gratitude, miracles just abound. It's just amazing. Grace is always growing in us. So to just exist that way. I watched a fantastic movie the other day. It's called 42. And it was about Jackie Robertson, that, I don't know if I said that right, but the baseball player that was the first black man into the Major League Baseball. And I noticed the negative people, the people that were negative towards him, never had a future. They were fired, never existed again in baseball. But the others that supported him went far. And it's just amazing, because that's what love is all about. When you love someone and you accept someone, doors open everywhere. How does the Spirit of grace want to work in my life? Well, the thing is we as humans connect to one another to help one another. There is no other reason. And life is all about joy. That's it. Just joy of life. And yet we make it more difficult than it is. What has blocked it from filling my life in the past? Well, more than likely it's you that's blocking it from filling in your life in the past. So what you got to do is just open up. Just ask the universe, God, the angels, whoever you talk to open yourself up to fill your life with grace and love. If I truly let go and open myself to grace, what will unfold? Well, you know what? That's the magic behind it, because so many doors will open. And the great thing is you get to choose which door to go through. And there's so many of them. And the people that you start being surrounded with, that when you open up to love and grace, it's just amazing. People will support you, will be there by your side, will give you just the most love. And somebody said last week, and I thought this was great, this person only hangs out with people that truly love and honor them. And I agree with that person. You can only be your best self when surrounding yourself with those type of people. So that is Soul Guidance Monday. I hope you have a great week. I'll talk to you next week. Thank you.